So if you're looking for an easier way to carry children, grandchildren for me, groceries, gear, you name it, this is a new spin on doing this. This is electric, it makes it so much easier, and this has a ton of features. So let's get into it and I'll show you everything that it has to offer. So the first thing that struck me about this was, of course, the color. This is the pink and it just looks fantastic. Now they do also have the black, but the material itself is just really nice and thick. This is 600D Oxford, so it's really tough and forgiving. And when you're going to clean it off, you're just going to get a damp cloth and just wipe it off. Of course, we can look through here and see all the stitching. Everything looks fantastic all through here, just really nice, even all the way around. On the back side, we do have two mesh pockets here, and this is zippered. And what this is just a little doggy door. So if you had a pet that you wanted to transport, this just makes it easier for them to get in and get out. On the front side here, we do have two pockets, so you could easily put some bottled water, any type of drinks, or just small items. And with two, you got plenty of room to do all that. And then the frame is all solid steel. You can see here all the way around, it's all metal, and it's super strong. Now you can fit over right around 360 pounds of load into this, which is quite a bit. And then the size is really good too. So it is about right around 34 inches long. It's 24 inches high, and then right around 22 inches in width. Now this interior is quite a big, so it holds quite a bit in here. This is 7 cubic feet, and we've got a little handle in here. So when you pull up on the handle, this is for storage. It just collapses. You can see here it closes pretty small. It only weighs 30 pounds, so you can easily put this in the back of your vehicle without any problem whatsoever. So we've got rubber tires all the way around, and then on the front we do have some brakes. Just put your foot on there, snap it closed, and that way it's not going to go anywhere. So this is a lithium-ion battery that does power this beast. So we've got an input and an output. This is how you would charge it, or you could use this as a power bank. It's a type C. And right here we've also got a USB-A for an output. We do have LED indicators letting you know how much battery power is left too. And when you're going to put this in, we do have a little sign that says this side's facing out. We just want to make sure these little grooves right here are facing that way. You just pop it in there. When you're ready to take it out, you're just going to go ahead and pull this lever, and it's that easy. I love that the handle's nice and long, so that way you don't have to bend down when you're trying to pull it around. And when you're ready to go ahead and just store this, all you're going to do is press this button, lower it a little bit, and then snap it in place. Now the handle is how you're going to control everything. We have two buttons. We've got on and off. We also have a gear right here, or it changes the levels. Right now it's in 1. We got low, medium, and high. So that allows you to go ahead and go a little bit faster if you need to, depending on how much load you have. And this is our controls for going backward or forward. And these right here are going to be our brakes. And what I love too about this handle, it's going to let you know the battery life. So you're always going to know how much life you have left. Each dot's going to represent 25% of the power. Now this cart is good for really pretty much any surface, whether it's asphalt, gravel, dirt, even some mud and cement. I'd put this through the test. I had my wife pull me in it, which I weigh right around a couple hundred pounds. We went up our driveway, we went across the grass. This definitely makes it so much easier to go ahead and carry everything that you need to that you normally just carry by hand. Hope you found this review helpful.